In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the copy trading feature on the platform BYDFi. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BYDFi, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description, then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you get an exclusive welcome bonus with up to $8,100. I'm quickly going to show you how you can get those. Directly after the sign-up, you will get $20. Then after you've made your first deposit over $100, an additional $20. And then after you've made your first trade for at least $100. So these are the very easy to get bonuses in here, and then down here you get the big bonuses after reaching those certain deposit and volume trading milestones. To create your account, you simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use one of those options, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. And now I'm going to first show you how you can easily deposit money. First, how to deposit crypto. You simply go up here to your wallet symbol and click on deposit. Then on the left, we are going to choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. In my case, I'm going to deposit some USDT. Then for the network, you can select whichever one you want. In my case, I will choose the Tron network, but you can also use any other network. Just make sure that you're using the same network as the other wallet or exchange where you're sending the money from. Then down here, you will see your personal deposit address, which you can then copy to your clipboard and then simply send over the crypto here to your account. If you don't have any crypto yet, or you want to deposit with fiat money directly, there's also an option for that on here. You simply go up here to buy crypto and then click on buy crypto again. Then here on the right side, choose buy and choose the fiat currency you want to deposit. For example, euro, US dollars, British pound, whichever fiat currency you have. You can also search for one up here. In my case, I will choose the euro, and then in here type in how much you want to buy. Then you can also see how much you will receive approximately in USDT. Then I'm simply going to click down here, purchase using euro. And then I will get to this page where I can see those different payment providers and see what payment methods they offer. For example, Visa or MasterCard, a normal SEPA bank transfer, or also Apple and Google Pay. Then I'm simply going to click on one. I can also see how much I will get. I simply need to agree to the terms and click on proceed to transaction. And then I will be redirected to the third-party service where I need to enter my payment details and therefore confirm the purchase. Once you've made any deposit, you can easily check if the money has already arrived by simply going up here to your wallet symbol and then click on spot. And here you can see if any of your deposits have already arrived. All right, so once we have money in our account, we can now use the copy trading feature, and you can easily get there by going up here to derivatives and then click on copy trading. Then we will get to this page. Down here you can see all of these different traders that we can follow, so you can easily browse through them and search for a specific one if you want to do that right here, or filter them down. I'm simply going to choose some to show you how it works. So this one, for example, you can see some information about the trader, some statistics that you can read through. You can also see what trading pairs he's trading. If you go up here, you can see his followers and how much profit they've made so far, and also the orders. So any open trades that are currently active. So the trader doesn't have any currently, but if you go to history, you can also see his past trades that he's executed and how much profit he's made and what he's done so far in the past. Once you found a trader that you want to follow, you can simply go up here and click on copy. Then I'm simply going to choose a fixed amount that we want to follow the trader with, and then you can type in how much you want. Down here you will see your available funds, but first you need to click on here and transfer it to your copy account. So I'm simply going to choose from spot my USDT. I'm simply going to, let's say, $50. Click on confirm, and now I will have that available in here, and now I can say I want to follow this trader with $50. Down here, I can also, for example, exclude some trading pairs if I want to do that, and also add some additional limits. For example, if I go in here, I could say I want to place my own take profit and stop loss for this copy trading right here, but I'm just going to leave that empty for now. And then all I need to do is just click down here on start copy trading, confirm that, and you will see now it's active. If I go in here to my copy trades, I can see that I'm now following one trader. If he would open any positions, I would see them in here. I can see up here that I have $50 in my account right here, but it's all available because no trades have been opened yet. So only if the trader starts opening trades, I can see them in here that it's copying. And if I go to my traders, I can also see, okay, I'm following this trader currently. No profit so far, but I would see that in here. And also 10% profit ratio, by the way. So 10% of my profits will go to the trader and the remaining 90% will be my own profits. I can of course also follow multiple traders in here and then see which one is performing the best. And if I want to edit any of my values, for example, put some more money in or take some money out of this trader, I can just go to edit right here. And if I want to completely unfollow a trader, I can just click on unfollow right here, confirm it, and then I'm also out of the copy trading again. Don't forget to create an account on BYDFi by using the first link down from the video description to get up to $8,100 in bonuses. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.